Hi guys, good afternoon. Let's drink this one. This one is a coffee, Irish coffee with whiskey. And here in the beach now, wow, it's so really nice. Look at the beach. Wow, so nice. It's me. And this is the Irish coffee with whiskey, and then it look like the piece is look like tuba, and then they have at the top they have a coffee beans, and then whipped cream,
Whipped cream.
whipped cream. This is the taste is look like tuba, guys. I never experienced this kind of coffees. Look like the taste is this look like tuba, same in tuba. This is very expensive, 500 in Philippines, and then in Thai baht is 320, and the US is equivalent in US dollar is $9.66, but in